Okay, hello guys. Today I am playing Cabin Crew Simulator. I'm probably just gonna go through one flight. You know, I'm not very good at this game, and I don't have very many skybucks. Let's turn down my in-game volume so like there won't be as much echo in the video. That's why there's an echo all the time, because like I have the mic on, so I have the same speakers where the mic records, and right next to it, so I turn it down so y'all can hear me better and not the Let's get this stage set. Considering it's nighttime.
No.
Alright. Make sure everything's in its place. All these people have the flight models on, I'm telling you. Pretty sure ERJ 175 has 2 seats in each row, considering I fly United every now and then, and I know. Alright, y'all doing good? The same type of cockpit, because it's an ERJ 175, and y'all used to fly ERJ 145, so you should be alright. Alright. I think we're ready for boarding, are we? Yep. Alright. Alright, everyone, you can start boarding. Just need to get something really quick. Your seatbelt. Sir, we haven't even finished boarding. Stow your freaking... Ooh, Southwest Airlines. But please stow your table. Wait. Marlon. Y'all need a freaking... Alright, I think we're good.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain from the flight deck. Welcome aboard the flight. We're expecting a smooth ride today, so the seatbelt sign should remain off for most of the flight. Thanks for flying with us, and once again, welcome aboard.
Remember, we are not aren't guaranteeing a smooth flight. We're just looking at weathers, and then ma'am, I swear to God, if your baby starts crying, I'm going to throw him off the plane. So don't think about it. Right. What did we do? Something right. What did we not do? What did we not do? Here, I need to close the freaking door. I'm so stupid. Wait, I need the...
Flight attendants, please be seated for takeoff.
Flight attendants demonstrate the safety features on board this aircraft. The seatbelts are illuminated as fast.
Alright, here we go. It doesn't take ERG 175 that long. Excuse me, where are the flaps? Guys, where are the flaps? Alright, now that we're in flight.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have reached our cruising altitude. The flight attendants should start their in-flight service shortly. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Start from the back then. Alright, ma'am. Whoa, what happened? Do we have another drink? Sprite? Yeah, what happened to our Sprite?
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your first officer from the flight deck.
See?
It looks like we're going to experience some light turbulence for the next couple of minutes. At this time, please ensure your seatbelt is fastened. Thank you.
I'm sorry, what was that? What did I just hear? The first officer is a woman. And it has a male voice. I'm sorry, what? It's just all over there, turbulent. I swear to God. Oh my God, the baby's probably gonna start crying. I'm gonna do the whole drink services first. And then I'll come back around. How do I know if you want Pepsi or Coke? Also, I'm pretty sure I had coffee last time I checked. I used to work at the restaurant Le Telepathe, so I know exactly what you want. I don't even gotta ask you, I know exactly what you want. Start doing trash, so.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have started our initial descent and will be landing soon. Thanks for flying with us, and we hope to see you again soon. Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for arrival.
Alright. Oh, you always take the front. I only had like 2 people and I had to like force to buckle their seatbelt. Alright. And we're gonna land. Bro, flare. Bro, go up. You're coming in too hard. Flare, where's the flare? Where's the flare? You're gonna tail strike. Not gonna lie, that was pretty smooth of a landing. Y'all got pretty good. I'm gonna make sure I don't expose y'all to any blue colors. Because if I do, I know you're gonna start landing while I ride it. Alright. One second, let's go. Alright. Goodbye, and thank you for flying. Now, where do you think you're going? Oh, y'all need to open the bin. Someone's gonna leave a luggage, eventually. Alright, that's probably the most skyblocks I think I've gotten from one. Okay, whatever I have to see. Alright, hold on. Tired of that music. Alright, start the boarding. Actually, I'm gonna stop this and then record another.